Currently, I'm in the second year. I got recently promoted to second year of my law school, and I am in studying in MIMS School of Law, Mumbai. So that's mostly about me. Like I'm a new law student. So basically, my objective was to pursue some courses in the field of corporate law. And since it was a 3 months course, and I could actually manage this course with my semester exams and everything. And since I'm from a commerce background, so I thought maybe taxation would be a really nice field. Besides all these things, I had seen a couple of you know I received a couple of mails from Lawsico team regarding why taxation is really important and how it's actually a kind of field which is always there. Like you never go out of business in the field of taxation, and how it's a very niche area and not many lawyers uh, are competing in this field. They're mostly CAs. So all these reasons combined, I thought maybe taxation would be a really nice course for me. That's why I went ahead with this course. So the course mainly focused mostly on direct taxation than on indirect taxation, and I had no idea about taxation. Like I used to believe tax is seriously very complicated and very broad. And you see, in couple of in other laws, people practice. Suppose they're practicing in the field of property laws, they practice property law along with matrimonial laws and other laws. But in the field of taxation, you see the kind of specialization which is not there in any other field because of the area is very niche and it's so specialized that you need proper guidance in that field. And to be honest, I really love this course. It was very good. Like we not only were taught how what to study, what all sections we need to know. The most important skill which we were taught was how to interpret sections, because today the law is something, tomorrow the law will be different, next day the new notifications will come and new judgments will come and the interpretation will be completely different. So how to interpret laws, not just Indian laws, also under indirect taxation course, courses, the indirect taxation exercises. We have to interpret judgments from foreign courts and the opinions of all the foreign jurists on these matters. So in such cases, we also read the laws, the judgments passed by foreign tribunals and everything. So that actually build us the help to build us the interpretation skills, which is really very important for lawyers because of this ever changing law. Because every year you see a different provisions are coming up because of the budget, because of the Finance Act. Now it's really important to interpret the laws and understand where to look for the primary data. And the reason it's important is because there are so many blogs, so many journals out there which can give you the data, but it's really important to find the primary data, because in when you work in the real life, you can't wait for the blogs, you can't wait for the sites to give out the information. You have to always be on your toes and always be aware of the latest laws, and you have to know how to find the primary data. Secondary data is very easy to find, but those are not obviously authenticated. Those are not admissible in courts. You need to find the primary data, and the research skills which I was able to develop because of the exercises, because of the mandatory articles which we have to write, actually helped us in building both drafting skills and most importantly my research skills in a complicated area of law like taxation. So the faculty members were excellent. Yash sir was one of the best teachers I could ever find in anyone, and Rohit sir was also very good in the field of indirect taxation. And since most of the classes were on direct taxation and also indirect and also international taxation, which is part of direct taxes, so the faculties were excellent. Okay, they helped us with every query which we had, no matter how minute, no matter how silly the query might be to the students. They always encouraged us to ask questions, as many questions as we wanted. No matter how many times I asked sir to repeat what he explained, he always explained those concepts. Not suppose I forgot to ask the question on that day itself. I researched on the topic, and then on the next class I wanted to ask him questions. He responded it very well, and he also encouraged students to uh, read more and more judgments, more and more laws. So he was inspirational that way also. And the faculty members were actually the legal practitioners. He was both of the teachers the were lawyers, not just teachers of law, not just professors of law, but they were actually the people who used to practice in their day-to-day lives. So they knew what all was going on in the real world and how they could teach us in a way that we would find interest in those subjects. It wasn't the classes were not at all bland at all, and they were interesting, and they used to share anecdotes about their how they dealt with this particular case or that particular case. And um, and they used to give us examples about all important cases which actually made the law. For example, the Vodafone judgment case, or the Morgan Stanley case, and such other cases which were coming up as and when we dealt with the relevant provisions of law. So all the classes are very interesting. It was excellent. A couple of times I had a few problems with the evaluation. Like uh, I had minor issues with the submission deadline and all, and I reported them that this was an issue, and immediately I got a mail, and the problem was absolutely resolved. So there was just a mismatch regarding the submission of one exercise instead of the other exercise, and that was resolved immediately, like even less than 24 hours. And all the recordings of the classes, they say they provided within 48 hours, but in reality they provided within 24 hours itself. So that is really amazing. All the exercises, the book which I got, all the exercises, all kinds of queries which I had. Sometimes I used to post my queries on the page, and they used to respond very quickly, and every query was properly answered and within time. So that service was excellent. So right now, since I'm not in the field of taxation, and I'm looking for internships in the field of taxation. So because of this COVID-19 period, I could not even go home. Far from interning anywhere, I could not even go back home. So I right now could not use it practically. But one thing which I learned is how to research. That is something which is very important. Uh, Research is something which is ubiquitous. You have to do research in the field of taxation, property, contracts, everywhere. So the ability to research and find the proper data, that was something which I can actually use in my school projects and assignments, and I actually use that. So that was beneficial to me. Otherwise, I'm waiting for interning at a particular place after this lockdown gets lifted. That's when I will be able to use my all my learnings properly.